In October 2017, the world was introduced to Oumuamua, the first interstellar object ever observed as it passed through our solar system. At first, astronomers were not sure what it was. It was unusually fast, tumbling end over end like a giant cigar. And at first, they thought it might be a chunk of rock that had broken off from some faraway planet. But over time, scientists began to suspect that it wasn't just any old space rock. They suspected that it was an alien probe sent by an advanced technological civilization. But why do they think it's an alien probe and not just a space rock? We did some digging into this weird interstellar visitor and the surprising conclusion that scientists have come to. Remember, we'll be using the scientific method throughout this episode, which means that all of the following must be taken with a grain of salt. You see, science is about exploring the natural world with curiosity and skepticism. And although there are many observations that make scientists think that this interstellar object is an alien probe, they don't have any proof yet. The first piece of evidence is its unusual shape. Early images of the object suggested that it looked like a long, thin cigar, which is odd because most space rocks tend to be spherical. Scientists speculate that the long shape could have been caused by the interstellar object being deliberately designed as a probe. Could be that it's actually covered in a layer of ice that has worn down on one side due to atmospheric drag. However, if it was an alien probe, why would it be tumbling so erratically? That doesn't seem very technologically advanced. Well, scientists believe that it could have been knocked off course by a collision with another object in space. Or it could have been intentionally designed to fly through the solar system like this. If it is a probe, it seems unlikely that it would have been built to withstand atmospheric drag, but not built with the ability to maintain a fixed orientation in space. Another piece of evidence that scientists have cited is the fact that the interstellar object appears to have been accelerating as it passes through the solar system. Now, if it is a space rock, this could be explained by the Yarkovsky effect, which occurs when sunlight bounces off of a small body, giving it a little bit of momentum. But if it is a probe, then it could be powered by an onboard engine. However, this is unlikely given how large the object would need to be in order for the acceleration to be caused by a small rocket. And if it is a probe, why would it have accelerated away from the sun after passing through the solar system? Surely a technologically advanced civilization would want to study the sun more closely. Unless, of course, it was trying to get away from the sun. You see, if it is a probe, then it could have been sent to study our solar system, and once it finished its mission, it would head back out into interstellar space. The final piece of evidence that scientists have offered up is the fact that the object seems to be emitting gas. This could be explained by the fact that it has a hollow shell that is venting gas from the interior, similar to how a submarine might vent air from inside to control its buoyancy. But this is unlikely given that a submarine maintains a fixed pressure inside the hull, whereas the interstellar object appears to be venting gas in random bursts. Scientists also believe that it may be an icy object that's sublimating, meaning that it's turning directly from a solid into a gas. But if it is a probe, then it could be releasing gas from the interior on purpose. However, if it is a probe, why would it start releasing gas after passing through the solar system? Surely a technologically advanced civilization would want to analyze the composition of the interstellar medium, which is the stuff between stars. Unless, of course, it was trying to hide itself from us. It seems like we may never know for sure what Oumuamua is, but one thing is certain. It has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. As we continue to explore the universe, we may find other interstellar objects that can teach us more about the universe and our place in it, whether or not they're alien probes. So what do you think? Is Oumuamua an alien probe, a space rock, or something else entirely? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos of Science Explained. Thanks for watching.